Leolis, it's that time again. Sis, look, I got another box from Lordhair. It kind of came unwind. It's okay. We don't care about the box. We care about the system. But it is super cute. It's from Lordhair. You know what I like about this company is that you can customize it, and that's the one thing that I love. Is not a lot of companies do this, so I appreciate Lordhair for doing that. And they give you coupons. Mira, look. Okay, so let me tell you also, this system is a real... Oh, she's cute. Oh, let me open her up. Oh, okay. Oh, and also let me show you. You'll normally get polyurethane. This is polyurethane. I always get it all the way in. But sometimes I need to let my hair breathe in between while it's growing. So let me tell you, I got this one, and I normally want to... Sis. Oh my God, I already love it. All right, look. She's ready to go. I wanted a shorter hair system, and what they understood is that they didn't want it. I didn't want it as long as the other one. And look at them. They are doing the deed, honey. They're doing the Lord's work. But okay, so I like polyurethane, and that's what I get, polyurethane, and then it's kind of with this netting in between. I love it. Okay, so let me go ahead and first start off. I cut my hair off already. I buzzed it. This is my area. I already know exactly where I'm laying my hair. What I normally do is I use Ghost Bond glue. You can use whatever you want, tape, Ghost Bond, whatever it is. Since I'm using it just for the rim here, I can put glue all right here. And I'm going to put glue in the outer area of it. I'm excited. Oops, not that part. Let me let this dry. And I usually use my finger because I just cleaned it. And I just kind of just spread it out. Spread it right there. Let me do 2 layers of this. So let me do a layer, let it dry, and let me do 2 layers. Remember, don't apply this until you've let the first one dry. So it'll usually disappear. It'll look clear, and then you apply the next one. I'll be right back. Okay, so now that I've done both of the layers, I've let it dry completely, as you can tell. Well, for the most part, you can tell. Here, it just, there you go. Now I know exactly how to lay it down. So I go from forward to back. So I know exactly where I need to lay it. So it's around here exactly. Do you see how it man, that already looks so good. And then I just press it down. Don't worry about pressing it down. You can kind of look. The good thing is I cut it really short. I like an overcut like this. Let me quickly go get a brush, but I honestly don't think I need it. Look how good it already looks. So this is the back part of it. Anything to it, I haven't brushed it. I love, you know what? This has to be one of my favorites. I love it. I honestly do love it. Sorry if my face looks a little oily. I just put my face products. But oh my, look how clean it is. I love it. This is pretty good. You cannot tell me this doesn't look good. It doesn't look like my hair. Look how simple. Oh, I love it. Just be jealous, please. Okay, guys, I gotta go film, go do all that good stuff. Dame un besito. I gotta go. Bye.